I present to you 700 video of Headwrap Gele. Different style. Simple Gele, difficult Gele, church Gele, rubber band Gele. So this one is my YouTube channel. I have more than 700 videos on my YouTube channel of Headwrap. So as you can see, these are all the styles. In case you want to learn any Headwrap, any hairstyle, oh my God, you are in the right place. Gele Beauty. I want to thank every one of you that always check on me. My God, your God will bless you. I want to use this opportunity to welcome the new subscriber. You are welcome. Please continue to check on me. Leave your comment down below. Like. If you have any style you want me to teach you, drop it. If you want me to teach you anything at all regarding beauty, because we are into many in one beauty. We do Gele, we do makeup, we do photo shoots, we do okoko. If you want to book me, you can book me for your events. I'm available to travel. If you want to check most of my job, they are on my Instagram. Go to my Instagram, Gele Beauty. Instagram. Follow me on my Facebook, Gele Beauty. I have 3 pages. Gele Beauty, Gele Beauty Live, Gele Beauty Gist. On my YouTube, I have 2 YouTube channels. One is Gele Beauty, this place you are watching me from now. Then the other one is Gele Beauty Live, my second YouTube channel name. So most time I go live on Facebook, the same time I'm on live on YouTube, teaching chronic way how to do your Headwrap by yourself and how to apply your makeup on your face by yourself. Operation, do it by yourself. Operation, you must learn by force. As you can see, all these my videos. All these my videos, they are so helpful. Go and learn. Don't be left out. You are the only one that is on this game that don't know how to tie Gele on your head by yourself, auntie, sister. So I have simple one, different type of Headwrap there. Go and learn. They are very easy to learn. Practice make perfect. In case you are wondering where I base in United Kingdom, London. My number is on my Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You can contact me for business. Yes, I will give it to you the way you want it. Contact me for your events. That is our motto. We give it to people the way they want it. Thank you. I love you all. Bye. See you on my next video. See all my service.
Dead baby. What's up?
Don't you the crafty producer?
Woo, sha. Everyone need a space to glow. Yeah, and it's so obvious we got the space in our time. Yeah, that is why we got Gele Beauty.